Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, dear followers and known. Welcome back to the channel of the Italian guy. Today, Keto Raffaello, the coconut-based Italian truffles. My channel deals about traveling, ketogenic recipes, and some items review when I buy them. But I don't want to talk too much. Follow me in the preparation of this delicious recipe. So to start, we need 250 ml of double heavy cream. Be sure that is no sugar added. In Italy they do, so you have to be careful. And then we need some 50 grams of erythritol. If you use stevia, I guess 30 grams will be more than enough, but it's to taste. Now let's stir a little bit to have the sweetener melted, completely melted in the double cream. There is no need to wait for so many minutes because we don't have to make any condensed milk. So we just have to allow the double cream to lose a little bit of its liquidity, some liquids. So keep stirring, not for long. And now is the time to add the butter. Yeah, you see it's already getting thicker. 25 grams of butter. Keep stirring for a little while longer. That you see on the spatula. The double cream is losing liquidity. Liquidity is something else. Is losing some liquids. And yeah, now is the time to add the coconut flour, the grated coconut flour, 120 grams. Let's keep stirring so that the whole dough detaches from the small pot, if I can say so. And yeah, getting thicker and thicker. We are going to put it in the fridge anyway. Okay, so now this is completely optional, but I really realized that it enhances the taste of the whole product. Some 2 tablespoons of organic coconut oil. They really makes the difference, guys. So if you can, add it. Otherwise, it's optional. Let's keep stirring to absorb the oil, the coconut oil. And now 30 minutes in the fridge to make the dough more compact. And so now we are going to make the balls after 30 minutes, the truffles. Sorry, the truffles. Okay, I'm not banging anything here. See, in my hands I look like a beggar. I'm joking. I made them bigger, but with the doses I gave you, you should be able to make at least 15. Of course, if you make bigger than the commercial ones, you won't be able. But in this case, in my case, as big as you can see, they came out to be 9. I highly suggest you to toast the almond or the hazelnut if you want to put the hazelnut rather than the almond, because the toast enhances the flavor. And yeah, that's it. So it's pretty easy. Be sure to have everything ready on the table so you don't get dirty, you don't mess up, and the preparation is really easy. The assemble is really easy. And yeah, that's it. Yeah, let me know in the comments below if you put a hazelnut or if you have any variation to the recipe. I would really be glad to know about your experimentation. Okay, so yeah, enjoy. Scrumptious, exquisite, delicious, tasty. They are lighter than the commercial ones, less sweet, too much sweet is not good. And they're really delicious. I put the almond inside. because the commercial ones, they have the almond, so to make the recipe as close as possible to the commercial ones, I put almond as well. But if you like hazelnuts, you can put an hazelnut. Remember to toast them first, the almond as well, because this process enhances the taste of the hazelnut or the almond. And let me know your variation. Maybe you could use some almond flour somewhere, I don't know exactly. But if you do them in a different way, I would really be pleased if you can tell me in the comments below. And yeah, that's it. I hope you liked them. So the recipe is really quick. You just have to assemble and cook all the ingredients. And that's it. Subscribe to the channel. I'm close to 1000 followers and I definitely need your help to grow. I would really appreciate if you like the video, subscribe please and share it with your friends. And let me know which recipe do you want me to make. I have fun in turning traditional recipes into keto ones. And yeah, let me know which one you like. See you to the next time. Bye.